How do you know that the food you bought actually is organic or not? Do you have the question that are these organic brands really claiming to be organic, or are they fake? How do you find out if it's organic and it's worth the buck? Do you have these questions in your head? Then this video is for you. Watch it till the end without fail. Hi, I am Sajjan Habar, working software professional, passionate about Ayurveda and the creator of the Self Healers Hub, which is on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the power of the ancient Indian science, Ayurveda. Ayurveda states that the state of well-being is determined by how we live and how we eat. And Ayurveda stresses on an organic diet. Organic. What is organic? We see this word a lot these days. But what is it actually? Organic food necessarily means it's been grown without any input of a chemical or a fertilizers or a pesticides. It's grown in a natural way by getting the sunlight, by getting the rain, by getting the proper nutrition from the soil. How is it possible? Through mulching and through application of animal wastes and other vegetable wastes, fruit wastes in the soil, in the fields, and through indigenous techniques they control the pests which are not harmful for the plants or the soil. So this is what it briefly means organic. Organic means this. I hope it is clear for you. So today I want to help you find those 5 amazing tips to get to know whether actually the product you bought is organic or not. So let me pull up this mind map for you and let's start this. Okay, let's build this mind map today. How to tell if food is organic or fake? If you are watching this on my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this on my Facebook, do follow and hit that see first button. Let's do this, guys. First and foremost, you gotta check for the certifications. Yeah, what are certifications? Certifications, there are certifications like USDA Organic, Aditi Organics, LACON, Jaivik Bharat, and the PGS, which is the Indian Standard Organic, and there is NPOP. These are the general certifications that you got to watch out for when you buy an organic product, so you can be assured it's organic and so it's been sourced correctly. So check out those certifications first, whether or not they have those certifications, and you can also go and research on the internet. All the certifications in the product will have an ID, so you can go and check it out in the certifiers website. Just check the ID and see whether it's actually certified. So I do that sometimes. Yeah, so first and foremost is the certifications. Next is source of food. Yeah, so now you are going into an organic shop and they say I am selling you organic fruit and vegetables. Okay, so now if they are selling you some fruit, let us say they sold you a papaya and it does not have any seeds in it, so then is it organic? No, right? But they are telling you it's organic and you're paying more for it. Yes. So then you gotta cross question them. Gotta be brave. Gotta ask them, hey boss, where did you get this? How can you claim to be organic if it's not having seeds? Similar way, if they're claiming that they're getting some ghee organically to you, you gotta ask them where is the source. You gotta ask them which farm are you getting it from. You gotta ask them where, can you show me the photos? Ask for transparency, guys. Transparency. Yeah, it has to be transparent, is it not? So it should be transparent, then only it's helpful for you. Yes, so these are the 2 steps now, certifications and source of food. Yes, what's the third step? The third step is shelf life. Yes, so the shelf life of the organic products will be low. Okay, so you gotta be sure that actually your food is getting spoiled after some days. So if you're getting a rava, there will be some insects coming up in that. If you're getting a fruit, it will get quickly spoiled. Or if you're getting unripened fruit, it will get ripened slowly in your home in front of your eyes. It will not be ripened and ready to eat. It will not be like that. It will be nature's way. So you bring unripened and it will become ripened in front of you. So the shelf life will be low of this organic food, but it will be loaded with micronutrients and vitamins for your body and your body to accelerate your self-healing and to be healthy. Yes. So you see what happens is when you start eating organic food, your body will also start feeling better, because you're eating something which is actually loaded with nature's goodness, and your body will also start giving those signals to you saying, I'm feeling healthy. You'll be having more energy in you. You'll see the digestion is improving. Yes, this is possible. Yes, it is possible. I have experienced this, so I am sharing with you. So please be sure that shelf life will be less, and if someone claims that it's organic and then I'm keeping more shelf life, if you can get it to your home and see that shelf life is really more, it's not at all getting spoiled, then there is something fishy, and I gotta catch that shop owner and ask him. Yes. Next, what is the fourth point? Shape and size and looks. Yeah. You see, organic food or natural food will not be really good looking or polished or flashy. It will be really simple packaging. Okay. And the fruits and vegetables may not be really polished and looking really nice, round, or completely in one color. If you see now it's the mango season, so in the mango, if you see it's completely one color and ripened, then I cannot say it's organic. You cannot say that. But if you get an unripened mango and then you see it's turning color slowly here and there and it's ripening, then you can say it's organic. So the shape and size and looks of organic products may not be the one same compared to the conventional product, but make sure that it is always better for your health, and be sure of that. Yes. And the last point, what can be the last point? Let's see what can be the last point here. Write it down. Grow it yourself. Yeah. If you are having sufficient space in your balcony, if you are having sufficient space in your terrace, if you have some space, you can grow it yourself. Yes. The one and the most amazing way to actually know it is organic is to grow it yourself. If you are having a own apartment, if you are having a own house, then it's highly possible for you to start your own garden. Maybe you can start with the leafy greens at least. In that way, you can reduce the waste in your home by actually composting the waste we generate in the kitchen, then using it for the greens and eating those greens which are grown in your home, in your balcony, in your garden. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it great to be in nature that way? You see how much your health will improve once you start doing this little bit of gardening and growing it yourself. You see this? Yes. And this is why you should try to grow it yourself to make sure it's organic. So to summarize, what are the 5 amazing tips for you to tell if the food is really organic or not? First and foremost, certifications. Second, the source of the food. Be transparent. Ask for transparency from the shopkeeper. Third, be sure that the organic food will have less shelf life. So if you see that the food is not getting spoiled after a certain amount of time also, then there is something fishy. And shape and size and looks may not be flashy. It might be simple. It may not be really round. It may not be really polished, but it's great for your health. It's polishing for your health. And last is grow it yourself, because if you have space in your balcony or terrace, don't waste it. Grow the vegetables how much ever you can in a small scale for yourself, for your home. See your health accelerating, see your mental peace accelerating. It is possible. Yes. How did you like this video? I hope you like this video. Please like and share this video to at least 5 friends of yours so that they don't get scammed in the name of organic and they get the best value for their money, and you also should get it. Did you resonate with this video? then I'm looking forward to meet you live. I'm doing a webinar on the 3 secrets to accelerate your self-healing through the power of Ayurveda, and I want to reveal those 3 secrets to you in my live webinar. You can register for the live webinar by clicking on the link in the description below. Looking forward to meet you live. Stay healthy, eat well, stay safe. Loving you all so much. Self Healers Hub is signing off. I hope you loved this video. Share it with 5 friends and then comment below, I am amazing. Thank you. Take care.